What's up, CC gang? Welcome back to another video. Today my video is going to be me doing a Lego set while I just talk about my feelings and how I've been feeling lately. I already started because I had to restart this video because I was crying so much, but it's okay. I'm just not gonna talk about that situation. That's what it's gonna be. But I already started. I already got this little piece. I'm on to the next step. But anyways, have you guys ever had somebody that you hang out with every day tell you to leave them alone? When you've been going through it, trying not to hurt yourself, and they tell you to leave you alone. Yeah, that happened to me. But it is fine because life goes on. It is what it is. He said that he don't want to be bothered, and ain't gonna bother him, so whatever. But deep down inside, my heart is really beating, in pain, aching. But that's besides the point. I'm trying to keep myself happy by doing things. I'm kind of losing motivation for YouTube because I don't even know what to post. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep doing random ass videos and posting them. I'm gonna keep going. So mentally I'm not doing good. Physically I'm doing okay, but I really don't know. I don't know what's going on. I really don't, but it's fine. It's fine. All you gotta say is fine and keep going. I'm trying to figure out this damn Lego set. I know I'm gonna be more focused down here than talking, so if I just go quiet, I'm concentrating. I'm concentrating like really hard that I don't say anything. But let me find something to talk about. Yeah, having somebody do that to you, I know other people have like other things going on in their lives, but it's like, damn, like the fuck. I'm trying not to restart this damn video so damn much because I already restarted it once because I was crying so much. I don't want to restart it again because I don't have my fucking thoughts together. I'm trying not to do that. I'm really trying not to do that because if I restart this video again, I'm not gonna do it at all. I know me. So. Okay, I'm trying this new setup thing for my camera where like I'm recording and like what y'all seeing is my camera, but it's recording off my laptop. I'm trying to see if it'll have me record longer. If it cuts off randomly, that's your side that it didn't work. But hopefully it still works. This is gonna be a little yap session. I'm gonna be talking about anything. I might talk about my feelings. I might go back to talk about my feelings. I might just, I don't know, talk about, I don't know. I might just talk about anything. I am gonna talk about anything. Literally fucking yap session. But oh my. So far I'm trying to put this thing together. this Lego set might take me a minute. I might, stop recording, come back when I'm like halfway done. I don't know my damn self. But anyways, I do not wish that on anybody of what the hell I'm going through right now, because man, oh man. I swear, if I did not care, I would have been like this is stressful. Like, y'all don't get it. This is stressful. Nobody should be crying themselves to sleep almost every damn night because of some shit that's happening. Nobody should, like, what? Nobody should be going through that, but I guess this is how my life goes, and it's gonna happen. It doesn't matter what I do, what I change. It's gonna keep happening. It's gonna keep happening because my life is, right now I feel like my life is a fucking joke. Like, it's just too much. It's just too much. I don't want to get too deep in it, but it's a lot. One person shouldn't be going through so much shit like that. It doesn't make sense. And it's like, they'll do it. It's like they don't even care. They don't even care how you feeling. As long as they get what they want. Anyways, I redecorated my room. Well, yeah, you might as well say redecorated. I got a little 6 cubicle thing right here by my dresser because there was shit just piling up. I was like, nope, I'm not having that. I need to fix it. I might show, I might not, but I got a spot where I'm putting all my like little Lego stuff. I have 3 big Lego cars that I built. They're in my closet. I was gonna bring them out, but I was like, I'm just gonna leave those in there because I want to have this for like my little Legos, like not my big ones. So those are big. Those will take up all the space in there. Like, literally, they go take up all the fucking space in there. I'm gonna try not to have this video so long. I'm gonna try to keep it 20-25 minutes. But yeah, like, y'all tell me what should I do? Like, should I just, well, of course, right now I'm gonna leave the situation be, but like, I don't have nobody else to talk to because that's my only friend that I have in this state. In the state of fucking, I'm not with it, but in this state, this is the only friend that I have. My other friend moved away, so it's like, what the hell am I supposed to do? Oh, make new friends. Nigga, these people are weird. You talk to them, and they ghost you. It's like, the fuck you mean, make new friends? Like, I'm trying, but like, they will ghost the fuck out of you so fucking quick. Especially the female. I'm not even talking about the males. I'm talking about the females. The females are so weird. They're so weird to me. I don't get it. Like, I found a few that are like, alright, but majority of them, they'll talk to you for a couple days and then ghost you. Or just stop, it's not even ghost, just stop responding. Like, but I hope this little Lego set come out cute. Because I've been having it sit over here for a minute. And I'm finally deciding to do it. It is currently... It's 3:43 in the goddamn morning. This how you know my brain was just racing. And I needed something to do to get my mind off of the damn situation. Right now I'm watching this show called Greenleaf on Netflix. It's pretty good so far, but it's really one of them shows I'm using as background noise. But I am watching it. I'm watching it. Don't get me wrong. It catches my interest, so like something happened. But it's really background noise. What? That's crazy. Let me get back. So this how far I got. Y'all can see. Y'all, I honestly don't know what the fuck to talk about anymore. I finished the first pack, y'all. I finished the first pack. I'm going on to the next one. I'm back, y'all. I had to take a little break because I was getting a little hungry. Having some pizza, so y'all good. But back to what I was saying, like, I don't get why people like will do something knowing it's gonna hurt that person, hurt their feelings, like crush their fucking soul, but they'll still do it anyways. It's like, damn. The fuck? It's really like, damn. Like, you don't give a fuck how I feel for real. As long as you get what you want, but anyways, my birthday coming up, y'all, in August. I'm turning 21. Hopefully, everything goes well, and I get to spend my birthday with the person who I want to spend my birthday with. Hopefully that everything passes over and we be okay. Right now, I don't want to do nothing for my birthday. Not because of the situation. It's just I really don't want to do nothing for my birthday anymore. Hold on, y'all, because I can't find this damn piece. Found it. Man, when I tell you about these Legos, the pieces will hide from you while you trying to fucking look for them. It don't make no sense. But, like, if y'all want to give me some suggestions on what the hell I should do, please. I need anything right now. Like, literally, I need anything. Not anything, but like just what to do right now in this moment. Because I don't know if other people go through this. I feel like I'm the only one that's going through this right now. I honestly feel like I'm the only one, but like, when I tell you, like, my heart is literally, like, right now I can feel my chest hurting. Like, my chest is legit hurting. And I don't know if that's from me overthinking or it's just my health declining. I don't know. Let me just continue on because right now I keep going back and talking about the damn situation when I'm clearly telling myself not to. But how y'all doing though? I'm tired of talking about myself. Honestly, I really am, because it's like every day it's the same shit over and over and over, and I'm getting tired of it. I'm tired of the same shit keep happening to me. And I know it's literally out of my control. But like, damn, like, can people just sit and really realize what they say or do will hurt that other person? This Lego set will go by so quick. This is gonna literally take me less than an hour to do it, because I don't know what time I started, but it's gonna take me less than an hour. I already know. I be doing Legos so quick. That's why, like, I want to talk, but my brain is focused on this Lego set right now. Like, I really don't know what the hell to talk about. I set up the camera. I'm saying I'm doing a yap session and building a Lego set. It's like I'm just building a damn Lego set and not saying nothing. Okay, I think I got something to talk about. Like, see, every time I have something in my brain, I think it's just hard for me to get my words out. It is hard for me to get my words out. I'm not gonna say maybe. It is hard for me to get my words out, because like my whole life, like, I felt unheard. Like, literally, I felt unheard my whole life, and that's why, like, when I like talk to people, it's either I'll just break down and stop talking, or it'll take me a long time to get my words out. And also, with this video, I'm not going to post it nowhere. I'm just gonna post it straight to YouTube, and whoever it reaches, because this is literally one of the videos that I just want to just sit and do what I want to do, you know, like, because sometimes I don't be one of the people that I know watching my videos, really, because, like, it's kind of like, what the hell are you doing here? Like, don't you got other things to do instead of trying to watch my damn video? But, like, I appreciate this, like, y'all watching, of course, but it's kind of just like, oh, hello there. Hello. That's literally what it is. Like when I be seeing y'all name pop up, I be like, welcome. Welcome to another side that y'all never see. Literally another side that y'all never see, because a lot of people don't see this side of me, but it's cool. It's cool. But in this moment, while I'm sitting here doing this Lego, of course my mind is, you know, going different places, thinking about different things, trying not to like think on what happened. Because I know my brain could be stuck on it until I literally go to sleep. And I don't want that. Like, there's so many things that I want to do this weekend coming up. Well, it's already the fucking weekend. What today is? It's Sunday now. It's 4:11 right now. You know what? I need to go to bed. That's what I need to do. So, I took a break from recording just to do my Lego because my brain was racing. But this is how far I have gotten. I'm almost done. I did the whole 3rd pack off camera. Now I'm gonna do the 4th one. But like, right now I am not feeling great. I am slowly going back into my depressive state. And I don't have nobody to talk to. About what's going on. Because they told me to leave them alone. So, I have nobody to talk to right now. Going through everything by myself at the moment. Which is... I hate it, but... what can I do when somebody don't want to be bothered? But the Lego set's coming out fine. I just want to be done with the whole thing because one is making my mental health way worse than what it's supposed to be. But since saying like all that and going through what I have went through, it's not easy just to say, okay, I'm gonna, it's not easy just to let everything be like, oh, it's fine, it is not fine. It's not fine at all. I don't like the whole situation or the way how it's being handled. See, I'm the type of person that don't like letting other people know what the hell is going on with me. Personally, that's just me. I don't like it because I just don't like people in my business for real, but I really want to finish this damn Lego set so I can lay down. Because, like, when I tell y'all I'm mentally drained, I'm mentally drained off of everything. I am completely done with everything. My heart can't take no more. When I tell you my heart is aching back to back every day, my heart aches. And that's not good on me because who wants their heart aching every day? Because of some shit that I feel like shouldn't even be happening. This should not be happening to me. Honestly. Like this, it doesn't make sense to me. But I'm gonna keep pushing forward. I don't got no choice but to keep going. Even though I want to give up, I just want to say fuck it, fall off the face of the earth, and just be gone. I can't do that because I'm not saying that they don't care about me. I'm not saying that at all. I would never say that. Well, I would never say that again, never, ever. But it's just like, dang. Why me? Like, what did I like? It's whatever. But I'm trying to make myself feel good. I'm gonna try going outside more, because I have not been going outside at all, because like, what's the point? Like yesterday, to get my mind off of stuff, I went to Walmart. That's why what I was talking about earlier. I got the cube, the 6 cube shelf I built for my stuff, for my Legos. Oh wait, that's wrong. Like I'm starting to do stuff to get my mind right, so I don't be stuck in that depressive state. Cause when I'm in that depressive state, I don't do anything. I stay inside. I don't go outside. I don't do anything. Like literally, I literally just say fuck everything, fuck the world. I'm staying in my room, and that's that. But as time goes on, everything's gonna fall back into place. Everything's gonna be okay. It's just I just need some time to myself to really get my mind right. I don't mind that. Like, yes, I'm gonna miss doing the things I was doing before, but sometimes we all need that mental break from certain things. So I got pretty far with this damn Lego set. Trying to put my finishing touches on. This is the last pack. I'm literally almost done. But yeah, like, that's, like, I'm saying this, I'm not even gonna look to see if he does look at this video or anything, but like, that is my best friend. I consider him as my best friend. I don't like going what the hell we going through, but I guess it has to be done for us to grow. You know, it soon I will be okay. After a couple days I will be fine. Right now, hell no. Hell no. Yeah, I did this shit. It will be fine. All I gotta do is, literally what I have to do is do things to keep my brain off of it. Even though that's hard, because I overthink like a mug. Like I think my brain constantly thinking. That's the wrong piece. But yeah, I do have some plans coming up next week. I might have to end up going to the I might have to end up going to see Lilo and Stitch by myself. Like, the amount of breaks I took doing, I could have done this like in one go, but my brain ain't letting me be happy right now at all. At all. Hopefully this is right. Like that. I think so. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm almost done. If you're watching this, you know who you are, mister. You are my best friend. I love you with all my heart. It's just, why the fuck is this going on with us? That's literally what I have to say. But hopefully this summer be good. If I have a bad summer and I'm turning 21, man, I might just end it all, because ain't no way I'm turning 21 and I don't have no good summer. What type of stuff is that? Like, literally, like, what? Alright, y'all, I am finished with my Lego set. This is the, wait, let me make sure. Hold on. Before I show y'all, let me make sure that this what it is. I'll put the picture in here. Let's do this picture. Yeah, I'm scared. That's not okay. This is the finish. Yes, that's it. This is the finished product. This is it. And to use it, you pull down this part here. You got the picture. There's 3 pictures, comes with 3 pictures. We'll use this one. Put it in there all the way till you hear a click. Close this back. You push the button. And it comes with the little thing to put the pictures in. That's nice. I like this. This is probably one of the more creative Lego sets I've done. And then you can switch this piece, this little piece right here. It comes with 2. You can put this one. Let me see. Y'all can see. And then y'all can switch it out right here. I'm gonna put the 1000 on there, because we always keep them 1000. Yeah, that's everything. That's the whole Lego set. My little yap session, even though I ain't really say too much. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the little video or whatever. You know, it's probably never gonna be that long. I don't mind. I really don't care, as long as I'm getting something out. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I guess that's it. My little Lego set. I guess that's it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.